Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. Intermediate second year accountancy depreciation for fourth lesson. Okay. Today important topic is additional machine. Whenever we buy the middle of the years, buy a new machine, how to make the depreciation accounts, we should be learned today. In this way, some of the students asked to me, they have to feel some difficult to making up the depreciation percentage. Now we have some more different type of methods also. Once we try to learn. Okay. For example, you have the 1,20,000 machine value. The rate of 10% depreciation. How to make? Easily 12,000 per annum depreciation. Here, whenever he is asking for 6 months, 9 months, 3 months, we have the formulas like if 12,000 into 9 by 12 and 12,000 into 6 by 12, 12,000 into 3 by 12. This is the one method. Second method, whenever we got the annual depreciation 12 months, this is for completely belongs to the 12 months. 12 months depreciation 12,000. Here in our examinations always asking 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 9 months. That's why you can concentrate on this only. Okay. Maximum have the chances to get only 3 months, 6 months, 9 months only. Okay, for 12 months, 12,000, 6 months. Just you have to make half, otherwise divided by 2. 12,000 divided by 2, 6,000. 3 months. Again divided by half, 3,000. 9 months. 6 plus 3, 9. 6,000 plus 3,000, 9,000. This is second method. Third method. Total 12,000 there now. In this 12,000, you have to divide it with months, total months. 12,000 divided by 12 months. We have to get how much? 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees per month. This is per month. Now you can take per 6. If 6 months means 1,000 into 6, 1,000 into 9, 1,000 into 3, like that. Whichever requirement there, you can easily find out the depreciations. Okay, this is the best. Always asking, just easily we can find out whenever we difficult to feel like percentages and some marks, we can go the second method. Okay, always in our examination point of view also asking for only 3 months, 6 months, 9 months only. Okay, now we have to going for our problem. Now, Rama and Company purchased a machine rupees 60,000. Okay. Then before we have to find out the second new additional machine when we was bought on 1st October 2009. Here we have to making 3 years. The 2009 where it is coming, first year and second year or third year, we should be find out. It will be come in the second year. Okay. Now 148 to bank. How much amount? 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees. If any additional charges like installment, carriage, and exchange. This is the additional charges. Whenever he given means we should be have to the bank. Okay. To bank, same date 1408 to bank 5,000. Now depreciation, you know, every year we have to making end of the year. 31st 309 by depreciation 60,000 plus 5,000, 65,000 into 10 by 100. 10% given now. 10 by 100. 0, 0. 6,500 rupees. How much? 6,500 rupees per annum depreciation. Full year depreciation. Okay. We have to take in full year. Why? Because he bought on 1st April only now. That's why. Now I am closing the accounts. 65,000. 31st 309 by balance carry down. How much amount? 65,000 minus 6,500. 0, 0, 5, 8, 5. 58,500 our machinery value after completed 1 year. Carry forward to the next year. 1409 to balance brought down 58,500. In this year only we bought additional machine on 1st October 2009. In this year only, okay. That's why we have to take in this year 1109 to bank. Why? Because we bought now. That's why 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. We make the depreciation on end of the year 9, 10. By depreciation, we have to take machinery wise. First machinery, how much? 6,500 rupees. Here straight line method. That's why no changes. We should be take all years same depreciation amount. Okay, 6,500. Machine 2. Machine 2, how much cost there? 20,000 rupees there. 20,000 into 10 divided by 100. 2,000, this is per annum depreciation, per year depreciation. But we bought the machinery on 1st October. October, November, December, January, February, March. Only 6 months. We have to calculate only 6 months depreciation. Directly we can take 2,000 divided by 1,000. Otherwise, into 6 by 12 also we can take. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Okay. 1,000 depreciation. Second machinery depreciation how much? 1,000. Total depreciation 7,500. Now closing accounts 78,500. 78,500 on 31st 310 by balance carry down 78,500 minus 7,500. 71,000. 71,000 our two machinery values after completed second year. Third year 1,410. 1,410 to balance brought down for two machineries. How much value? 71,000. Now depreciation 31,311 by depreciation. Machinery value 6,500, no changes. Machinery 2, how much? This is the full year now. That's why I am taking full depreciation 2,000 rupees. It already given 2,000 rupees. Total 8,500 depreciation. I am closing again accounts 71,000. 71,000 on 31st 311 by balance carried down. How much? 71,000 minus 8,500. 0 0 5 2 6. 62,500. Next year carry forward 1,411 to balance brought down 62,500. This is whenever we bought additional machine in the middle of the years. This is the depreciation calculations. After completed 3 years, our total machinery's values is 62,500. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.